night to
Yeah,
go
it's
and do something
clear
like
and
this.
chilly.
You can
It
actually
is a little
wear
chilly,
a
though.
scarf. You can actually wear a nice winter hat.
You can get away with
coat.
it for sure. Yeah.
Perfect. The vibes immaculate, as the kids say.
For once,
As Alicia
sweater
says.
weather.
Yeah, yes, exactly. Tomorrow morning, guys, going to be even colder. So prepare for a chilly pattern over the next couple of days. As a matter of fact, tomorrow morning likely bottoming out around 39 to 40 degrees in the city and even some middle 30s across the hill country. Before we get to that, let's talk about this. The progress through December 2023. You can see the first 10 days of this month were pretty warm. We had mornings in the 50s with highs in the 70s, and these last several days brought in some rain, some cloud cover, and some rain-cooled air. And the last few days, highs were in the 50s and 60s, depending on where you're at. But today was 68 degrees, which is not hot, right? But it is warmer than average for December in San Antonio this time this year. And going forward through Monday, through Tuesday and the middle of next week, we're going to flirt right with that number, 70 to 72 over the next several days here in San Antonio, which again is above average for middle December this time of year. Right now it's chilly though, clear skies, 48 to 45, depending on where you're at, 45 at the airport, clear conditions. Winds are light from the west-northwest at 6 miles an hour. The air is dry. Current temperatures across the map are in the 40s, already slipping into the 30s for the hill country like Kerrville, Fredericksburg already at 39. We should all remain above freezing in the overnight hours, something to certainly keep in mind. Anywhere north of, let's say, San Angelo, that's where we're expecting freezing temperatures. And here's the forecast overnight. Tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., 40 to 41. There will be a couple of 39-degree readings around the metro between Timblewood Park, Stone Oak, towards the west side of San Antonio, and similar numbers, middle to upper 30s across the hill country tomorrow morning. Now, as you saw, a wave of cloud cover moves in over the next 12 to 15 hours. By tomorrow afternoon, it'll be clear, it'll be sunny with highs right around 70 to 71. It's going to be a beautiful day to wrap up the weekend. And again, a mix of clouds and sunshine, temperatures near 72. Average this time of year 64. Tomorrow sunrise around 7:22 with sundown around 5:35. Here is the nation from coast to coast, very cold air, 20s, sub-freezing in the Dakotas and beyond the Canadian and U.S. border. Warmer air out to the east, but watch what happens as we put this into motion. Colder air displaced across the Midwest. For Texas and most of our area, ridge of high pressure, our big blue H remains overhead for the next several days, which means a lot of sunshine, cold mornings, and mild afternoons. We look upstream, though, rain chances increase next week, just before Christmas Eve. A cutoff low develops off the jet stream, and what that's going to do is provide a lot of lift and instability in the atmosphere. And watch what happens as we put this into time. Next Thursday, 2 and 3 o'clock or so in the afternoon, spotty showers, a rainy day next Thursday. Same thing, I think, on Friday. And then watch how this low gets even closer. Moves into northern Mexico, El Paso, the desert southwest. And what that will do is produce a very active pattern. It's not going to be stormy weather, but it will be on and off showers, maybe an isolated storm, and it looks like it'll clear out briefly just in time for Christmas Day. But watch what happens right behind it, another system. So that's what I mean with an active pattern. We're going to see several days of rain chances and even some after Christmas Day in the next week. All right, 7-day forecast tomorrow, 72, 68 on Monday, 71 on Wednesday. Best chance at rain Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, leading up to the Christmas Eve and Christmas Day forecast.